Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Mitsubishi Challenger, stock reference number 5458. The shape runs from the 12th month 2009 through to the 12th month 2015. It has a 4D56, 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. 4D56, 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tailgate appears to have no damage, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door, 3 large dents. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, climate control heating controls, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.